Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Richard today, and today we're going to be swapping out our serpentine and our idler and our tensioner. That way, when we do this little tune-up, we know that we've got fresh everything. Now, if you need to release your tensioner, let's show you what you have to do. Have to pop in. I like to use a breaker bar in this, and as you can see, just like that, pull your belt off, put it on. Easiest one to slip it off of usually is that pulley, the idler, because it's smooth. So when you release that tension, just try to get it off the idler. Go ahead, take this one, which is a number 16 on a ratchet, put it on here and pull that one off, number 13, and loosen that one off. Some things that I would use, just some blue Loctite. Put a little bit just on the end of the threads here and a little bit on the end of the threads here. The parts that I'm going to be using are this belt right here from Continental, 4924 and 49345 for the belt tensioner. This is the idler. So I'm going to lightly thread these in and then I'll give you the Torx back. There's our new idler. Just put it through like so. Go ahead, slip it onto here and start to thread it in. What you want to do is when you thread this in, we just want to make sure it lines up on that groove. So that way it doesn't pinch in the area it shouldn't. You'll see that should sit flush with the bearing. If it doesn't and it sits cockeyed, you go to spin it and it doesn't, it means it's not sitting correct. All right, now that that one's done, go down here, slide this one into here. Now, this has a little nub, as you can see. There's a little nub there, and there's a little nub there. Make sure that the nubs connect. This one could be fun. I'm gonna start off the bolt with my finger, and then, there we go. Perfect. And again, just cinch those down. And after we do that, grab your torque wrench, torque this one to 21 foot-pounds, and then torque this one to 30. When you're looking at this, put the belt right here. And then, back end here, up and around here. Perfect. This will come down here. And then this one will come down over here. And as you can see, then this is open like this. See how this goes? If you don't have power steering, then this one wouldn't be right here. This would wrap down and then come right down to your AC. Right here, get this ready. Put this on, move our tensioner, and release. And that's how she's done. Make sure all your belts are sitting in the grooves. And then from there, if you want, you could turn the crank, make sure it all turns, but I think you're gonna be fine. And that's how you replace your tensioner, your idler, and your serpentine belt.